Hey everyone, it's Ali. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to launch your own YouTube channel from scratch. Forget fancy gear or complicated steps. If you have an idea and a computer, you're ready. This is a fast, step-by-step guide for total beginners. By the end, you'll have your own channel, ready for your first upload. So, open a new tab and follow along. Let's build your channel together. Smash that subscribe button if you want more guides like this. Let's get started. First, you need a Google account, no exceptions. If you already have Gmail, you're set. If not, go to accounts.google.com and hit Create Account. Choose for My Personal Use and fill in your details. Pick a professional-sounding Gmail address and a strong password. Add a recovery phone or email for security. Follow the prompts, agree to the terms, and you're done. That's your key to everything on YouTube. Don't skip this. Without it, you can't create a channel or upload videos. Once you're set up, you're ready for the next step. This takes 5 minutes and unlocks your YouTube journey. Ready? Let's move on. Your Google account is your foundation. Now, let's get you onto YouTube. Here comes the fun part. With your Google account ready, head to youtube.com. Click sign in at the top right and log in with your new account. Double-check your email and password. No typos. Once you're in, your profile icon appears in the corner. That's it, you're officially signed in. This is your gateway from viewer to creator. You're now ready to build your channel. Every YouTuber started right here. Take a second to appreciate it. Now let's create your channel. The next step is where your journey really begins. Ready to make it official? Let's go. It's finally time to create your channel. The very first step on your YouTube adventure. This is where your ideas, creativity, and passion start to take shape in the digital world. Begin by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner of YouTube, then select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu. It's simple, but it's a big moment. This is the moment your YouTube journey truly starts. You're taking the leap from viewer to creator, and that's something to be proud of. Now enter your channel name. Choose something memorable and relevant to your content. Something that represents you and what you want to share with the world. Don't stress too much about the name. You can always change it later if inspiration strikes. But a catchy, meaningful name can help people find and remember you. If you have a profile picture ready, upload it now to give your channel a personal touch. If not, don't worry. You can skip this step and add one later. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. The most important thing is to get your channel live and start your journey. You can always improve as you go. When you're ready, scroll down and hit Create at the bottom of the page. This is your official launch. That's it. Your channel is born. You're now officially a YouTuber, and your creative space is live for the world to see. Your channel is live and ready for the world to discover. This is your blank canvas, full of potential. Take a deep breath and celebrate this milestone. You've just taken a huge step towards sharing your voice. You've crossed the hardest part, getting started. Most people never make it this far. Next, let's make your channel look amazing. Customization is where your personality and style really shine through. The basics are done. Now it's time to stand out from the crowd. Ready to customize your channel and make it truly yours? Let's make your channel shine and show the world what you're all about. This is where you start building your brand and setting yourself apart. Let's go and make something amazing together. Your channel's live, but it needs personality. Right now, it's a blank canvas, so let's make it stand out and feel truly yours. Start by heading to YouTube Studio through your profile icon at the top right corner. In the studio, click on Customization in the left menu. This is where the magic happens. Under Branding, upload a profile picture and a banner image. Free tools like Canva make it easy to design something unique, even if you're not a designer. Your banner should instantly show what your channel's about. Make it bold, colorful, and eye-catching so viewers remember you. Next, head over to the Basic Info tab to add more details. Edit your channel name if you want, and write a killer description that tells your story and hooks new viewers. Let people know who you are, what kind of videos you make, and why they should subscribe. Be authentic and let your passion shine through. If you have other social media, add those links here so fans can connect with you everywhere. When you're happy with everything, Hit publish to save your changes and make your channel shine. Now your channel looks legit and ready for visitors. Remember, first impressions matter. Make yours count by showing off your style and creativity. You're building your brand from day one. Customization sets you apart and helps viewers remember you. Ready to upload your first video? Let's get started and show the world what you've got. The moment has arrived. Let's upload your very first video to YouTube. This is a huge step, and it's totally normal to feel a mix of excitement and nerves. Remember, every creator starts right here, so let's walk through it together. Start by clicking the Create button, the camera icon with a plus sign, at the top of your YouTube page, and then select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. You can either drag your video file right into the upload window, or click Select Files to browse and choose your video from your computer. While your video uploads, take a moment to craft a catchy, attention-grabbing title, something that makes people curious and eager to click. Next, write a short but engaging description. Tell viewers what your video is about, and don't forget to add any relevant links or social media handles to connect with your audience. Upload a custom thumbnail. Choose an image that's bright, bold, and intriguing. Thumbnails are the first thing people see, so make yours stand out. Don't just settle for a random video frame. Design a thumbnail that pops and truly represents your content. You'll be asked if your video is made for kids. Answer honestly, as this affects who can see and interact with your content. Click through the next steps, reviewing your settings and making sure everything looks good until you reach the visibility section. Set your video to public so everyone can watch it, and then hit that publish button with confidence. Congratulations! Your very first video is now live for the world to see. Take a moment to celebrate this achievement. You've officially launched your channel and taken the first step toward building your online presence. This is just the beginning of your content journey. There's so much more ahead. Don't overthink it. Just get your video out there and enjoy the process. Every upload is a learning experience. Remember, every famous creator started with just one video, just like you. Now let's talk about how you can grow your channel and reach even more viewers. Are you ready to take your channel to the next level? Let's dive in. Want to grow fast? Here's the blueprint. Make a content plan, decide your niche, and plan your next 5, 10 videos. Consistency is everything. Pick a schedule and stick to it. Thumbnails and titles are your secret weapons. Make them irresistible. Spend time making them pop. Test different styles. Engage with your viewers. Reply to comments. Ask questions. Build community. A loyal audience is more valuable than a big silent one. Promote your videos everywhere. Social media, friends, relevant forums. The first 24 hours are crucial for momentum. Be your own biggest fan and marketer. Growth takes time, but these steps work. Keep learning, keep improving. You're on your way to 1 million. Want more features? Verify your account at youtube.com/verify. This unlocks custom thumbnails, longer videos, and live streaming. Just enter your phone number, get a code, and you're done. Custom thumbnails are a must for growth. Longer videos and live streams help you connect and expand. It takes 2 minutes and gives you a huge advantage. Don't skip this step. Unlock your channel's full potential. You did it! Your channel is live, your first video is up. Now take action. Make your next video and the one after that. If this helped, smash like. Comment your new channel name and subscribe for more. The opportunity is massive. Go grab it. Anyone with passion and a camera can make it here. Thanks for watching and trusting me to guide you. I'll see you in the next video.